Do you take S as payment? Yes, I do take S as payment. In this video, you are going to learn how to render your character to ultimate quality, to the ultimate result. Heck yeah, I know you're having trouble with those sketch lines, and you're like, how the frick they vanish with those sketch lines? I can't vanish with them. Well, we are going to solve that problem here in this video, and maybe some extra abilities to make your art look even more top quality. Perfection. So right now, hit the like button, subscribe button, and let's go into the video. First things first, you gotta have a drawing to start rendering, right? You gotta have a drawing. So we already have our drawing from our last tutorial. You can check here, our last tutorial. It's going to appear for you. We have shown how to draw a muscular character. I'm going to show how you do the rendering, how you vanish with those sketch lines, how you do the perfect gradient between highlights, shadows, and everything else, you know, the base color, the strong saturated color from the fur to another color of the fur. People do have trouble on that, and now the other things. Now let me show you. This was the drawing that we did. We applied basic stuff, and you can see here those sketch lines, very sketchy, extremely strong sketchy, things going out and everything, and you probably have that happening with you too. Look at this, we have all of that happening. But today you're gonna learn how to vanish with them. I have two techniques for you to follow. We're gonna use two main tools. Your main brush, you can see it right here, your main brush, and the beautiful tool that I always use. I have already done a video about it, call it a Smudge tool. Smudge tool is a tool that I use to refine everything. Some of you may not be able to use Smudge tool because your computer cannot handle, but you can do the same thing by using your brush. It's just going to take longer, but you can do the same exactly thing. First things first, take out your locked layer. Remove the lock. Yeah, click here on this chest symbol. Now it's free for you to paint outside. Yeah. When you're gonna render, I always recommend you start by the silhouette and then you start getting inside. First of all, touch out the silhouette, refine all the silhouette, and then you go into refining inside. Why? Because whenever you have a good silhouette, you can already work more like, oh no, it's fine, I already touched there. Oh no, it's fine, and it's not going to be this thing here happening. You know what I'm talking about. You're drawing, just going, you're painting, just going out of the line art. So let's start by the basic. If you're going to use your brush, you're going to pick the closest color that you have here. Make your brush of a good size. Press F5 and see in your brush settings. Can you see my brush settings? Yes, you can. You need to check your brush settings if you have transfer. Transfer is part in the middle of transfer. You gotta check that. And after you have that, you start just doing your fur little by little. It's not going to be something extremely fast. And now I'm using my eraser to just take it out. It's a process about taking out and going here and adding. You add and you take out. You add and take out. This is the process with brush, okay? I love this too. You can check here my settings. You can check it here. Shape dynamics with pen pressure and transfer on maximum. And be careful to not do it too strong. Whenever starting out with Smudge tool, you are going to get some places very wrong. And I did that for so long. And it's fine. It's just you stopping and thinking, hey, I think this stroke that I did here is too long, or I think this stroke that I did here is too short, is too thick, is too thin. It's always about you thinking and analyzing your own drawing. you know, doing what we just did on the silhouette, but on all of this line art here would take us so much time. It would take us so much time. So what I'm going to show here right now for you guys. Using your brush, it's a very good technique to vanish with your sketch lines, okay? Lock your layer again. Here, lock your layer. On brush. Change your brush mode. When you click here, it's going to appear a lot of brush modes. Put on lighten brush mode, okay? Lighten. Now you can see here, lighten. And then, to just vanish with your lines, what you're gonna do? Pick a color close to the ones that you have. And just paint it. Yeah, it's going to make everything brighter. And here, paint it. I'm sure you guys love this technique. The same color here, painted. Here, painted. And it's only going to paint on the dark color of your sketch line. Why? Because on lighten mode, it's only going to paint the colors that are darker than the one that you're using right now, okay? Only the colors that are darker than the one you're using right now. And guys, I want to reinforce that no, I'm not drawing this pose out of my head. No, I don't recommend anyone doing that. Come on, don't be shy. Make the easy way. Pick an image out from Google and use it as a reference. It's going to be much more easier. Much more easier than literally picking your mind to take all the effort and thinking of the more 100 muscles and places that accumulate fat and places that accumulate fur for you to remember each one of them. No, I don't think that you gotta force your brain on that way. Let the nature of photos help you. Please watch out for this step. This step is complicated. Now I'm going to really test your patience to the limit. Now it's the real patience thing. Now is the real thing. Let's go. Pick your smudge too. Okay, right now we are going to do the fur detail and remove all of these sketch lines. Only using the smudge tool. You can use only brush. Anyway, it's going to take your time. Anyway, there is no escape from that, okay? Here on the fur, you're gonna be doing lock of fur by lock of fur. And you gotta be clearly refining each single and one line. Okay, guys? That's with what I needed to say. Please don't be scared. I'm using my normal brush right now, okay? The standard brush from Photoshop. Oh, doing the muzzle and maintaining in 3D. To maintain it 3D, you gotta understand the reflection around it. Just doing smaller locks of fur. That's what you do on the rendering. You break things down and down again. But it's not only breaking down, it's breaking down with quality. Remember that, guys. Rendering is about breaking down volume objects, but with quality. You want to do a highlight, but the side here is already highlighted. Do you know what to do? Yeah. Make it darker. Hey, you're rendering and you did like this side of her bigger than this one. Let me show you how to fix this quickly. You press M, select the area that you gotta fix, and press Ctrl Shift X. Ctrl Shift X. In other words, liquify too. And just gonna see your place that it's like too big, and you just gotta put it in the place, you know? Put it back on the place that it gotta be. Here's some random hair strands here. I removed all of the sketch lines one by one. And look at here, there's still places I still have it. That's why you gotta always keep looking at your drawing. When I say always, it's like always, okay? Always, always, always. Not only that, but remember, vary your smudge to strength. Vary your brush size. Because sometimes you're gonna be doing this. Let me show you. Let me show you here. You're gonna be doing this, okay? The small ones in the middle of the thick ones. Don't do too many. This is only a variation. This is a very good variation. I'm not going to do it here because it would take me another 4 hours. I'm not joking. But look at this. Huge strength and small. You do small, good looking fur. So if this content helped you, why not follow our channel on YouTube? Because I'm sure that you're going to receive a lot of content that will help you a lot on your artistic journey. This is an art channel and we do jokes all the time. Jokes! We like jokes! So leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our Patreon if you want to support our channel, our Twitch channel, YouTube channel, or if you want to get our tutorials with a higher quality recorded, everything separated. Check out our game road. We have all the type of content for you, champ. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye!